Hello everybody, I'm SilentKnight, and today we'll be checking out 14 minutes of quality cracks or quality chiropractic cracks. If you don't know what that is, basically is when you be doing your neck like that and you hear the little crack. Some of you like it, and some of it's soothing or satisfying, I should say. But we're gonna go ahead and check this out. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe, leave a like for more content like this. We're gonna go ahead and check this out though. This should be kind of interesting, you know, to see each and everyone's reaction. So without further ado, let's get laid back and react. Here we go.
Rip for me. One more.
Oh, that one wasn't a good one. Sometimes it's there, sometimes it's not. Some people get a sense of relief. I mean, it's understandable.
Excellent.
Y'all let me know in the comments if y'all ever had this happen to you. Woo! She had a good one. Yup. She ain't done it in a while. If you do it a lot, take a break and it'll come back. Yep. Had one in your back.
Back down. Hands here. That was good. Cool.
Yeah, see? Nothing happened. That means it's good.
Yeah, that one over here too. Right there.
But you gotta be careful. You might kill somebody or hurt someone doing this. Don't do this if you ain't trained to do it. Because if you twist your neck too far over, it's done. It's done.
There it was.
Mama.
I might have to go try this and see what it's like. I don't know.
Now, what we're going to do is start here in the mid-back. And just to show you again what pressure is like, it's going to be like this. Is that okay on the front?
You got to know them pressure points.
So you're going to feel a movement and hear a noise. And the noise is not your bones.
So you don't know.
It's nitrogen gas releasing from the joint. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what it is? Okay.
And out.
I didn't know that's
Chest
what it
relax.
was.
There we go.
Oh my God.
Does she even have
How'd you
it?
do there?
Sometimes you can't hear it.
Up here in the lumbar spine. And then I'm going to lean over you.
Okay.
Force come between our pockets.
Right.
Okay.
Air pockets. I know that.
You do have that natural tendency
I
to
know.
push the hips
Yeah,
out, right?
I'm
Okay.
always sticking my butt out.
Breath in, all the way out. Hips relax all the way.
She didn't really have one.
Beautiful
there.
movement. That was big.
Yay!
Like so. Hips relax. Drop here. And then, breath in again. And out. Drop the hips all the way.
Yep.
Much
you
bigger
go.
movement, right?
Yeah.
Ears.
Mm-hmm.
But it's the same thing. So we're going to breathe in deep. And out. Breathe in again.
I mean, you could do the crack your neck a little bit if you twist it like that. See, I had one. You probably couldn't hear it, but
That was best.
that's the only ones I can do. It's better if you let someone else do it. It's like just a sense of relief in your bones. Your bones feel better after doing this.
Relax, relax, relax. Right. There we go.
Ooh.
Just a bit of a kick, just to get a nice. Yeah.
That's good.
Take a deep breath.
That one probably feels really good after you're done.
Again,
Cause it's like your back right here.
He's like, you got the AC.
Especially if you standing up all day. Or you play sports, anything like that. They probably do this in sports medicine.
Back now, so we're just gonna bring him over here.
Oh.
Ooh, yeah, if you're not used to it, it'll hurt
And same thing.
a little bit.
Very good.
Just a little bit.
So we're gonna start off right here on the T3 on that right. We're gonna come through and good. Just getting that movement back over, bring that back to midline.
Right.
Just a little bit over on the T1. Good. Okay. And then her secondary main complaint through here was gonna be
Don't you have like
right
3 pressure
through on
points
that
in your
left
back?
side. So this is where we're
I've
gonna
seen
go.
where there's 3 spots in your back that they can do it.
Take a deep breath in and let it out.
There you go.
Good. So we're gonna be doing the side posture adjustment. What that's gonna be is I'm gonna roll you a little bit more over towards me.
I love these type of
Just bring
videos.
it
It's
back
just
and
very
do the adjustment,
informative
okay?
and interesting to watch.
There we go.
Y'all let me know if there's any other videos I should check out.
Got a lot of movement with that there.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Other side?
Lay flat on your back first.
Okay.
Legs straight.
Oh, they're gonna pull your legs, yep.
Same thing.
Same thing.
Oh, never mind.
There we go.
Yeah.
Flat on your back. I just want to recheck because I know that right side was pretty locked up.
Mm-hmm.
So we're just gonna do a little testing. Oh,
And when he's
actually
doing
started
right there, I
moving
think
with
he's
that a
just
little
like
bit.
getting the bone ready so that you'll get a crack. Yeah.
Good.
It's loosening the spot right there in your neck.
Okay. Then and exhale out. Good.
Yep. If you do this and someone push, you'll feel it.
Oh my goodness.
Good.
Y'all can try that one probably.
Alright, so you can relax.
careful,
with the arms
though.
down by your side now. And this is where from here.
Oh,
we're gonna-
this one
the
is just
strap
so
and the Y axis.
Scary to me. It's like
And then
they
it's just a
gonna
light
pull this
thrust
girl's
from here.
head off. Yeah, she didn't really have one,
Good.
but they gotta try it, you know. You trying to take the body by surprise? Oh, is she okay? She wasn't ready for that. Or she might have some sore bones or something.
All right. Yeah, big hug there. Good.
Ooh.
All right. In just a second. Good.
Can
Excellent.
someone let me know if this is actual treatment after you getting surgery or something? Like, I don't know. I want to know.
Very good. And just stretching out a little bit.
So I know we're gonna have some unique viewers. So let me know.
All right. You feel all that unlocked there? Yeah.
Right here, T1 on the left hand side is going to be that first adjustment that we're going to be making.
Mm.
And then T3 on the right. Good.
I don't know if she had one.
Okay.
Not a big one.
Take a
If she
deep breath
did.
in and exhale all the way out.
Oh. Ooh.
You felt that first pop?
Yes.
I
You
felt.
that
I
first one,
heard
was
that.
your rib going back in. The
I
rest
said I
was
felt it.
actually
I
in
heard
the
that.
thoracic spine that was moving.
At least they telling you, you know.
So we're feeling a little bit out of alignment right in the upper part of the neck here.
Is it really
Drop the
what that
shoulder
means
from your
when,
relax
when
that
you
shoulder.
have those cracks? Is you're out of alignment? I don't know if I have one or not, but
Relax that right shoulder. Good. There we go. And a little bit lower here. We're going to do one more in the thoracic. And let it go. There we go. Okay, and stay just like that.
I wonder how much this costs though to get done. That's the real question. How much does this cost to get a doctor to do that to you? You trying to fill it out? Yeah. Ooh, he had a good one. He had a real good one.
Wow.
See, you feel a sense of relief.
How's it feel?
Just feel it like shooting up this side of my neck and up to my head.
Yeah.
You
It's
should.
like a rush of blood or something.
Rush of blood kind of opens things up, huh?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, he really needed that. You could hear it. You hear it strongly, that means you ain't
The
done
other
it.
side is where the problem is. That's the whole right side.
No, I
going
keep
up, so
saying
you
that,
felt
but it's just
more intensely.
surprising to me.
We're checking Jonathan on a C2 here.
Oh.
Sebastian, get down here so you can hear this crack on here. You can get this.
Yeah,
nice
there
and
you
low.
go. Mm-hmm.
Good.
There you
And now
go.
we're going to do a little bit of an occipital lift here. This is kind of an occipital lift. I'm tractioning his head this way with my lower hand here. And then I'm going to adjust his occiput. I'm going to get this right occiput to drop away.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
There we go.
And there you have it.
Together, you don't need to grit them or anything. Just breathe through your nose.
Isn't this the one that was in the beginning?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that was the
It
one.
wasn't so bad, was it? You feel that all the way down?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh,
Drop this
okay.
in my hands here.
So you don't always have to hear it to know
That's
for it to
one.
work. That's very interesting.
I'm gonna put you on the knee chest for that one. Go up a little higher
Yeah.
though. Good.
There you go.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
knew there's multiple ones in your back.
Yep, Crackhead's gonna love you too. Let me have this leg. There you go. Should have felt that from your knee all the way up to your lower back.
Yeah.
Did you?
I know about that one.
Okay. Nope. Let this one go. There we go. Okay. Now let's take
it just seems like he just pull her
Just a
leg.
millimeter off to the side.
But I know it's
But just to change where my fulcrum goes,
therapeutic.
take a breath
So.
in and out, and then roll this back.
Oh, that's my favorite one when someone
Man.
pulls your
That was it
back.
right there.
Y'all know what
Yes,
I'm
it
talking
was,
about.
yeah.
Hopefully.
So,
Sir, herniated disc, just breathe normal for me. There you go. Yep, see, I knew you'd be a Crackhead's favorite. Yeah. That's the girl, okay. Nice and easy. Breathe. That girl.
my
Oh.
Yep, that's the most common reaction we get. Is
Right.
OMG.
She like, oh my god.
Felt that all the way down, didn't you?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, keep
That's because they
breathing.
know what they doing.
Taller.
Yes, you are. I got you. That's a girl.
You got.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. She had a good one.
I told you I was just getting started.
She had some good ones. Oh, let's just do it again. Did we already see these? Am I tripping? I mean, I'll watch it again, but. Oh.
good, nice.
Is this a different time he went? That one don't sound like the other one that we saw earlier. Ooh.
Beautiful. Okay, good job. Yeah,
Yeah.
Crackhead's gonna love you. Boy,
Oh yeah, she had a lot.
good job. And manners coming from the younger generation, don't you think? Okay, nice and easy here. Now I'm just going to traction this out. There you go. Good. Now you should have felt that traction all the way down, did you?
Yes.
Okay, good. Let me have your neck like you're sleeping. I got you. No, you let me do it. There you go. Okay, wiggle your
Yeah,
leg.
you just gotta kind of let your neck
Okay,
go
got
loose,
one
because
more.
if you resist,
So
you
your
could
right ear to
strain
right
your
shoulder.
neck. I wouldn't.
That's it.
I just
That's
let them do it.
So this is for the lower sacrum.
Try a different look scenery.
So I want to keep the spine close to neutral since she already wants to go into hyperextension. So I'm going to scoot the
What's
pelvis
that?
closer to me, and I'm going to drive down this way at the sacrum. Good.
Yeah.
Go the other way. Now this is her first adjustment here at the source, by the
Oh,
way. And she
okay.
agreed to do it on camera. So here we go. And I don't adjust
I would
like,
honestly
or
do it
a lot
on
of people in
camera.
this office don't adjust like the majority of chiropractors. So interesting to see feedback after this adjustment. So L1, L2, there's a compression. So what I'm looking for
Yep.
is to actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna contact L2 and distract it away from the L1. So we're coming down inferior with the rounding of the sacrum, and that rounding of the sacrum is gonna avoid that hyperextension of the lower spine. So I'm bringing the spine to neutral, rolling the system as a group, gonna pull that L2 off the L1. Boom,
Ooh.
just like that. Nice, huh?
Jesus.
Go to your stomach for me. So we're going mainly
I know she
posterior
felt
to
that
anterior,
one.
which is back to forward. So right there. Beautiful adjustment.
I'll be rip roaring ready to go the rest of the day.
Here we go.
Weekend. We're going golfing tomorrow. Oh yeah.
They do that stuff quick.
Okay, let me do one more here. That's all right. There we go.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. This video is very, very interesting. Let me know if you guys want to see another one. I would not mind doing another video like this. But if you're new to the channel, please, like I said, like, subscribe, share. Let me know what other videos you would like to see. I'll see you guys in the next next video. Y'all stay blessed out there. I am out. Peace.